This is the carbon fiber ANDERY MagSafe 360-degree adjustable car phone mount. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look, including installation and how to remove it. Got the user's manual. We've got magnetic ring here that's going to be self-adhesive in case you don't have a magnetic case for your phone. You can turn it into one because this is a magnetic mount. You're going to be able to mount your phone. Look at how strong that is. Going to be able to adjust it to whatever angle you need. Mount this to the glass of your windshield, mount it to your dashboard. That is a really strong hinge and magnet. Nothing's gonna fall off of here. The instructions are really simple. You're gonna peel off the backing and stick the suction to the windshield or the dashboard. Twist to lock it until you hear the click and you're good to go. This should work on windshields and most smooth, flat dashboards, but if you have a leather or texturized dashboard, it might not stick. Then you can use this special adapter. You'll see in this car, the dashboard is really curved, so it's not gonna work on here. Like, it's just not. So on ours, we're gonna have to use the windshield. So let's go peel this off. Stick it up there and then twist to lock it. And that is really stuck. Then you can twist this and stick it up and get whatever angle you need. Oh my gosh. Really, really strong. Once it is stuck, it's really, really strong. You can pull this out, adjust the angle, twist it around. Amazing. And then you'll see up here, twist to unlock it, peel it off. If this doesn't pull off easily when it's unlocked, then you're gonna just use a credit card to kind of break the seal. And then it peels off. It did leave a teeny bit of residue here, but that just rubs off literally even with my spit. Good as new.